Hi, today I will be showing you how to uninstall app on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So let's start. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to your search menu and then look or type add or remove programs. So here it is. What you're going to do next is you have to click open. It will take you directly to your applications and programs. Here, in order for you to remove or uninstall an application, you just have to select or look for that application that you want to uninstall or remove. Let's just say you want to uninstall your Dropbox application right here. So all you have to do is to click that one and you should see the uninstall button. Once you tap this, tap on uninstall button. And then what you're going to do next is you have to click uninstall again. You can read the following here and then tap on uninstall. Now a small box will pop up, and what you're going to do is you need to confirm again and that you want to uninstall this application. So what you're going to do is tap on uninstall right here. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is uninstalling the application or Dropbox application right here. And then once done, you should see the close button, and all you have to do is to tap the close button right here. So if you want to uninstall again another application, you just have to do the same thing. Just select or look for that specific application and then tap on the uninstall button and proceed with the uninstall. And basically that's it. So that's how easy it is to simply uninstall application on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.